afternoon. I'm glad to have the opportunity to apply for Early Bird Cultural Exchange Program. My name is Damon Ruiz. I'm from Colombia and I'm 26 years old. Nowadays, I live here in Belmont. I was selected as a scholarship student for an English as a second language program. And here, I've met many international students, some of them from Latin America, some of them from Asia. Now, let's take a look at my hometown, my childcare experience, and some information about my country. Let's go.
Villavicencio is a city of warm weather, medium size, with two mountains and natural landscapes. Its traditional dance is the joropo. Okay, my experience in childcare began in 2008. I had the opportunity to join a company called Excalibur Productions. I was part of this company until December 2011, working weekly recreation, learning, care, bathing, walking, and feeding according to what provided by the parent to each of the children who were under my charge, whose ages ranged between 1 and 10 years old. Later, I had the fortune to meet Sebastian, an extraordinary boy who started caring weekly from June of 2012, who also attended with games, hiking, preparing the bottle, and changing their diapers. I shared special moments of his life, as his baptism, first birthday, the day he crawled, walked, and spoke his first word. He loves balls, played football, and called me member. Then, in 2014, when Sebastian was 2 years and 6 months, I started caring weekly to Maria Jose, a beautiful princess whom I had the opportunity to provide the same care that Sebastian when she was 4 months, November 2014, until the end of January 2015, when her parents moved to another city. I am proud to be Colombian and live on this land, love the yellow, blue and red flag. I enjoy the native musical rhythms like cumbia and vallenato, and growing up with the flavor of the best coffee around the world, principles and values, happiness, enthusiasm for life, and with a thought that goes beyond the particular benefit, extending to the good of those around me. Colombia is first in emeralds, flowers, beautiful, cheerful, and elegant women, coffee, and exotic birds.
I hope you had enjoyed this video, and I'm looking forward to living this experience with you. See you soon.